The second round of the JK Tyre Rotax Max National Karting Championship took place in Hyderabad over the weekend. Here's a report.
Hyderabad played host to 50 talented young racing prodigies, taking part in the JK Tyre Rotax Max National Karting Championship. The 3 days of high-octane racing saw young drivers put up brilliant displays of driving and left no doubt about the talent that these young racers possess.
I think it was a fantastic weekend. We knew that the racing would be close here because the nature of the circuit is such that in total about 9 corners, but about 6 of them are all hairpins. Gives ample opportunity for people to overtake when somebody makes a mistake in the previous corner. But the main thing and the most satisfying thing is to see the standard of karting. It has gone up quite a bit. But overall, it was very satisfying because you can see the level of karting has gone up so much. The professionalism has come a long way. The teams are putting in a lot of effort. The parents are very supportive. They sort of encourage the kids a lot. And to see the fellowship and the sporting nature of all the boys who are driving is very aggressive, very competitive. But at the same time, I think this weekend they held their heads high and maintained an excellent code of conduct and very good standards of driving.
The championship has 3 categories and saw the young drivers fight it out tooth and nail across all heats and races. In the Micromax category, drivers Yash Aradhya, Shahan Ali, Chirag Ghorpade and Paul Francis stood out. Whereas the Junior Max category saw some tough bumper-to-bumper racing between Ricky Donnison and Kush Maini.
Kush Maini will respond to that pressure. Kush Maini takes him on the inside. Well, Ricky Donnison moves a little too wide and Kush Maini takes back the leader again.
Aro Rabindra also drove brilliantly and held his own on the Junior Max grid. In the Senior Max category, laudable performances came from Krishnaraj Mahadik, Chitesh Mandodi, Amya Bafna and Vishnu Prasad. It was overall a great weekend of racing, and it's very apparent that motorsport in India, even at the basic level, possesses great talent.